How to disallow Discord to track screen reader usage. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. And let's start. The first step is it's to open in Discord. After this, when your Discord is open anyway, just go down here on your profile and you click. After this, you will go to privacy and safety. And when you open privacy and safety, you will find a lot of options in the long list. You will just go down to allow Discord to track screen reader usage. Then you will go here to this place, and now you will turn off by clicking here like this. And that's it. It will work video. That's it, guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.